For centuries, great artists have used camera Lucidas and similar devices to help create their masterpieces. And now you can too. The camera Lucidas by Ancient Magic Art Tools are the old master's secret tools revamped for today's artist. When you look through our Lucidas, you see whatever is in front of you reflected over your paper. You can draw right over the reflected image to get an accurate sketch in minutes, leaving you more time to develop your art without being frustrated by the technical elements. The camera Lucidas of the past had some annoying problems. A small, unsteady, dim image. And you could pay anywhere between $400 to $700 for a decent unit. But our Lucidas retains all the magic, while offering all the solutions with a much larger, more stable and brighter image. You can even adjust the brightness of the image as needed. Both of our Lucidas come with optical filters that increase or decrease the brightness of the image, giving you the control and enabling you to get the image to the desired brightness. This alone transforms the camera Lucida from a neat device of the past into an indispensable art tool for today. Ancient Magic Art Tools offers two camera Lucida models: the Lucid Art, which is the best camera Lucida ever made, and the Lucy, a smaller, simpler, more flexible Lucida that costs less but retains all the magic. Both Lucidas have the filters to adjust the brightness of the image. Both Lucidas have optional photo projector accessories, which allows you to enlarge photos or small objects up to 4 times the original size with the Lucid Art and over 3 times enlargement with the Lucy. Both Lucidas have large images when compared to camera Lucidas of the past, but the Lucid Art has the largest image of all, 20 by 37 inches and 19 by 27 inches for the Lucy. The Lucid Art is also supported by a solid mechanical arm with adjustable height and steadied by a second diagonal cross support arm. The Lucy's flex arm allows you to use it while standing looking down at your paper, while sitting looking forward at the subject, or vertically while working at an easel. Both of our Lucidas work in about the same way. Here's a drawing demonstration. Clamp your Lucida to your table or workspace. Before you start drawing, mark a few key places to use as references. So, if you move your head or want to take a break, you can easily line the image back up with those marks. Don't worry about getting everything. Leave out what you don't like and keeping what you want. Simply draw around the image until you have a good sketch. Then you can finish your drawing with traditional drawing or painting techniques. It takes a little practice, but it's as easy as it looks. Lynn Hurd Bryant painted a painting of this still life by first making this sketch with her Lucida, then finishing up with her normal painting techniques. She said that such a complex still life used to frighten me, and I would never do it. But now with my Lucida, I proceed with confidence. Even if you're not an artist, but always wish that you could draw, our Lucidas can help. Here is a drawing by a person who is not at all an artist and had never before used any type of camera Lucida. Now, here is our first drawing with one of our Lucidas of the same still life. The difference is clear immediately, and over time, working with our Lucida will help you become a better artist as you practice drawing in correct perspective. Use it for drawing, painting, or any other medium. Works great with still lifes, landscapes, portraits, and more. Use on paper, canvas, or any surface. For fine art or crafts. From novices to professionals and everything in between. Makes anyone an artist and any artist a master. Buy one today.